start painting my frame. Don't mind the way I look. We are going to be using primer 2-in-1. I do one coat of this on everything and then sand it down with 400, and then right after that we're gonna put some sealer on it, and then right after that we're gonna put this Ford magnetic. So if you've ever seen some Mustangs that look kind of gray, and once you get up close to them they're shiny like this, that's what it's gonna look like.
What's up, everybody?
So today I've been painting. I painted my frame. I got the clear coat on it. I went to Arnold's, got this UV clear coat, and I put that on the frame because we ran out of both of the cans that we had already. And then while I was there, I also got some like exhaust kind of paint. It's a satin color and it withstands a lot of heat. So I painted my motorcycle exhaust with that, and then I also got some clear coat to put on top of that. That's the same kind of heat aspect as that. And so that's what I've been doing. We're looking pretty good. And here's the frame. It is magnetic. I've been coming here every day during the week after work and trying to get all this painting done before the weekend and try and reassemble my motorcycle. I kind of got ahead of myself and I went on and just started slapping things on because it's not too interesting of putting bolts into the engine mounts and everything, but I got on the new shock and the new handlebars. It's looking really good so far. That's what I've been doing. I've been figuring out where everything goes because I'm not good at remembering it all.
Hi, I'm Dory.
Hi, Dory. So right now I'm doing this exhaust wrap, and so far it's going pretty good. I got the first pipe done. Basically what you do is you soak that big coil in some water, and it makes it just way easier wrapping it around the pipe and getting it to form fit. And then after that you wrap it around first one a little bit, and you use these metal zip ties and you make them go as tight as they can, and pretty straightforward from there. What is up, everybody? So today I'm having some confusions and some wins and some losses, and it's going decent. So I got the exhaust on. As you can see, I mummy wrapped it, but I am having some troubles with my rear sets and the exhaust getting in the way with them. So my thought process on this is to take off this guy. So basically Sawzall right here, let it just free flow, keep this one on there, and then I'll have enough room for my foot to be comfortable, because right now if I leave it like this, my foot's gonna have to be like that, and that's a no-no. I like kind of the, what would you call it? The sport bike style of sitting on a bike and having, you know, crunched up your knees. Yeah, I know people don't like it, but I like the look of it, and this is basically a style bike, not a cruiser bike. I will ride to work and stuff, but it's my preference, not yours. So I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm just gonna work on other stuff and try and plan out my seat. Right now I'm trying to get my headlight on, see how that looks. And I was actually really confused on how this headlight would stay in here, because I bought the housing and the headlight separate. So you get these little clips and they go in here. I put that one in wrong, but it's holding. And I think I only need one more right now. And they go in like this, and as you can see, they're really long. So I have to cut them with some clippers, and it's actually going pretty well right now. So that's a win right there. But other than that, I think I might draw out what my seat will look like with some cardboard today. Get that all planned out, maybe even make the cowl with some cardboard if I have enough here. And then, yeah, we'll just go from there. Yeah. That looks good. I like that. Ooh. That is hot. This will go right there. Damn. This is going nice. All right, I'm happy. So that was actually pretty easy mounting that thing in the housing. So Amazon, thank you. I have the base of the seat in cardboard. I think I'll keep it like this because it looks pretty stellar. So that's gonna be the base, and then I'm gonna get more cardboard and I'm gonna make a hump like that, and it's gonna go up to probably about here, and then there's gonna be that cowl right here, and we're gonna have to try and find out how we're gonna bolt that on, because I did not think this through. I should have before I painted all this. It's probably not going to hurt at all, but I'm going to have to grind down this and this, then weld a bracket that goes across either one or two of them so that I have a good mounting point for the other, because this is going to be a seat and a cowl place. It's going to be a bolt-on cowl or a bolt-on seat, depending on what I want to do for the day, either have a passenger or not. So that's how I want it to be, and we're going to make it like that. I am done for the day. This video is just going to be a span of days and days. Getting through this, and it's gonna suck wiring. What's up, everyone? So it's Saturday. I have been out here for a little while, and Sean's been working on the truck, race truck. I think that's in the first part of this video, or it's another video that we're going to talk about it. But he's basically working on it. I'm just working on my stuff right now, and that is the motorcycle. So what I've been doing today, the first thing that was wrong is that exhaust was in the way. It used to be double stacked. There were slots right here for it, and I just cut it off. They're sitting over there right now, so I had enough room to be able to push down for brake on this side and shift on the other side. And what I'm dealing with right now, getting the linkages right here, there's a bracket that goes over and then fits into this one, and then it goes, pushes back, which engages that. I had to take this screw out so I could adjust and take this out and then adjust it to where it needed to be. And right now what I'm dealing with is hardware, so I need to go to another town tomorrow, have some Nards, and find some better ways to attach that onto there and make it stable and to where I can press down. And then other than that, I need to try and include this spring right here, which will, after I push it back, where is it pushed back? After I push down on this, it's going to go forward, and I need a spring to make it go back because it doesn't do that all the time by itself. And then this side, I basically have this guy I cut off. This used to be right like that, right there. And then I just cut the linkage to size, slap a nut on there, slap some nuts on there, and then it goes through. So that one works. Still trying to figure out this one. Other than that, today I worked on the seat. So I have this little layout. Cardboard right here goes right into there. And then I'm gonna have my cowl. I have a piece of cardboard up there that has the base right there, and then a little piece that will fold over this. And then I can map that out and put on steel. So that's what I did. I have the OG seat right here, OG seat base. It had a bunch of little rivets in it and all kinds of stuff attached. So I got out some porta cables and grind those all down, and now it is ready to cut out. But I think I'm gonna go home because I'm tired.